Right, so we start off with divide across the top by the highest power. So I divide across by n squared. And if you do that, what you get, first of all, what's n squared divided by n squared? You get 2. Now you got 15n, so you cancel an n and you cancel an n down here and you get 15 over n. Over here you've got minus 1 divided by n squared. Minus 1 over n squared. Alright. Underneath this one here. So we'll do the bottom part of it now. So 3n squared. Right. Divide across by n squared again. Right, n squared divided by n squared is there's 1, so what's left behind is 3. Alright, take away an n from above and below. Honestly, you're not getting into this class again. You can go off elsewhere. And then we've got plus 2 over n squared. Alright, so that's the first step. Right, now you do what's called applying your limits. So you apply your limits. So the limit n goes to infinity. Alright, so we're looking at this section over here. So we've got 2, and as n goes to infinity, right, as this number gets bigger and bigger and bigger, what happens to the overall value? It approaches 0. So it might as well have the value 0. And the same thing happens to here. As this number gets bigger and bigger and bigger, this value, because it's a fraction, approaches 0. So we've got 3 on the bottom, minus. Again, as n approaches infinity, this fraction it approaches 0, doesn't it? And again, this n, as it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, it's 2 over a really, really, really big number. It's approaching 0 all the time. So what are you left with? You're left with 2 over 3.